Identify beam reinforcement details. Beam reinforcements can be calculated through identifying beam reinforcement details. TRB supports the identification of CAD and PDF drawings. Select the needed drawing, enter the proper scale in the dialog box. You can use the distance function to measure the distance between 2 points so that you can see if the scale is correct. If not, you can click Scale to adjust it. There are two kinds of rebar identification: Identify main bar and Identify links. Let's take a look at Identify main bar first. According to the hint at the bottom, select the bar info and bar lines. Then select the rebar type and confirm to generate. If there are too many entities in the drawing, which makes it hard to tell the entity's identification status, you can choose to hide these identified ones by checking this. As for main bar info that contains spacing data, you need to input the correct section size as it affects the number of main bars, and the number will be calculated automatically based on the section size. Now let's go to links. Select links info and section size info, and then draw a line with a certain length to describe the range of links. The quantity of links, depending on the format of links info, is identified directly from the links info, or it is calculated based on the spacing info and the specified range. The main bar info affects the calculation of links, so you have to input the correct main bar info. Software reads the section size as width * height by default. If the drawing gives the opposite one, you just have to check this item and the data changes accordingly. Hook angle and bending value take values from project settings by default. Legs info is identified from links info, and it can also be editable. Click the ellipsis button to select corresponding link drawing. Check the info and then generate links. You can switch to the next entity through the preview window to continue the rebar identification after you finish the current one. In case the drawing is not clear enough to identify, you can draw a line to arrange reinforcement. Draw the bar lines. Edit the bar length and type in the rebar info. Select bar type and then generate reinforcements. To avoid quantity data loss resulted from an unexpected system exception, we recommend you to save the project on a regular basis. Identification completed, the rebar quantities in this beam will be calculated and locked automatically. You can press F11 to view them.